Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting lined up for you. Ever wondered how to create a fantastic flying experience using just some basic materials? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to make a simple remote-controlled paper airplane with a motor and battery. Yes, you heard it right, a remote-controlled paper airplane. So grab your crafting tools and let's dive right in. To start off, you'll need a few items that you probably already have lying around your house. Gather some paper, a bit of gum, a small battery, and a remote controller. That's it. Simple, right? Now, let's begin crafting our remote-controlled paper airplane. Take your sheet of paper and follow these easy steps. Fold here, attach the motor and battery there, secure it with some gum, and voila! You've got the basic structure of your paper airplane. Isn't it amazing how a few folds and a little creativity can transform ordinary paper into something extraordinary? Now, let's make this paper airplane remote controlled. Carefully attach the wires from the motor and battery to the remote controller. It might seem tricky at first, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Just follow our lead, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Moment of truth, everyone. Let's see how our remote-controlled paper airplane performs. Get ready for takeoff. Look at it go. Isn't it incredible? With a little bit of creativity and some basic materials, you can create your very own remote-controlled paper airplane. The possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different designs, colors, and you can add your personal touch. And there you have it, folks. Your very own remote-controlled paper airplane made from scratch. We hope you enjoyed this DIY adventure as much as we did. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting DIY projects. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy crafting and happy flying. See you in the next